Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your brand kit into Kajabi, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer your brand kit into Kajabi, start by logging into your Kajabi account. Navigate to the Design tab in the main menu. Select brand from the options available. This section is where you will set up your brand kit. First, upload your logo by clicking on the Upload button. Choose the file from your computer and confirm the upload. Next, set your brand colors. Click on the color boxes to enter your primary and secondary colors. You can use hex codes for precision or select from the color picker. After setting your colors, move on to selecting your brand fonts. Choose a header font that aligns with your brand identity. Follow this by selecting a body font to maintain consistency in text. Once you've selected your fonts, look for the option to customize the typography settings. Adjust font sizes to match your preferred styles for headings and body text. Review all your selections to ensure they accurately represent your brand. Finally, save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Your brand kit is now successfully transferred into Kajabi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.